Hello, I'm Louise and I'm from England. I'm 56 years old and I'm really happy to share my experience here today. You know, it's a short flight. It's just over 4 hours from the UK and it's very simple at the airport. I didn't find any problems with language barriers. Everybody is very helpful, very accommodating. You know, if you look a little bit stuck because you haven't got the internet, somebody is always there to give you the Wi-Fi, and at all times I felt in my journey I'm always in contact on WhatsApp with people on the team asking me how I am, which part of the journey, am I being picked up, you know, and that is very reassuring. I was considering having some surgery on my eyes a few years ago, and I guess fear and not knowing where to start to research was the main thing. But after seeing Dr. Karaaltin in the UK twice before I made my final decision, and I think what was important for me was that when I saw him the first time, he explained it all in so much detail. I was a little overwhelmed at what it entailed, and I didn't feel ready. And I think the most important thing was I didn't feel pressured in any way from his team or from him with any time scale. So actually, I had quite a lot of personal changes going on in my life, and it was 10 months later that I came back, and I was ready to just trust him and go with what his suggestions were, because I had done quite a bit of research about coming to Turkey and other alternatives. And once I surrendered to the team and everything, I just felt totally trusting with what was going to happen. And it's a win-win, you know. I get to come away and do this treatment in privacy, but with an extremely safe environment and a great team around me. But moreover, I get a holiday, I get to see the cultural side of the city, and to go around and experience extremely friendly people, very cosmopolitan. It's not just Turkey, it's a very international city, and it's just a great experience to come and have all that wrapped up into, you know, your whole medical tour experience. And to be taken care of, you know, from the moment you land at Atatürk Airport, taken to the hospital and so on, to when you leave your hotel and to be taken back. It's very seamless, and I'm just really happy to be here for the second time to finish off the procedures. So originally my first consultation with Dr. Karaaltin in Manchester, I really had gone with a mindset that I just wanted my eye bags doing, and that was it, just here. And then he explained all to me that just if I was to get my eyes done, he explained the whole aging process, and that the rest of my face it wouldn't match. And I realized that, I understood that, and I was happy to go with the facelift, with the technique that he uses, and I did all my research to realize that you know, coming abroad to have this surgery, there weren't any negatives connected with the advancement and the latest techniques. In fact, quite the opposite. So I came and had a facelift in July, and I am here for surgery tomorrow.
So how are you?
So
you're okay for today? Today yeah. You don't. Yeah, you know, the procedure's not that tough. It's just we're gonna do the lips. We're gonna do the malar area a bit.
Yes.
your skin is going to be more draped with the laser. The wrinkle, draped and tighten up.
Okay, good, good.
Because the laser, we're going to act on the front as well, and your deep wrinkles here.
Yeah.
You're quite good on the sides though at the moment.
Okay.
After the facelift, but now this is going to be a final touch-up. The touch-ups basically would show the result even more obviously. I want to ask you another question. Can we do some laser here as well? These wrinkles here.
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit of the because I think there's some wrinkles.
To have because I'm 56 and there was a lot to do with the facelift and the upper and lower eye bags, and now I'm just having some finishing touches and some more fat, and also I'm very interested in stem cell therapy as a total new science and technology. What really fascinated me about Dr. Karaaltin and his team was researching his background and his expertise, and also particularly the stem cell and own fat transposition. And I really didn't want to get into this exercise of going regularly for fillers and to use a cosmetic surgeon such as Dr. Karaaltin to do something in a much more holistic way, but with all the scientific backing. You hear horror stories of people going for fillers in all sorts of pretty unregulated places. So I had no qualms about coming to Turkey for this. Bit wet. How are you? You could have directed to Manchester.
Yeah.
Nice to see you. I can't believe it. You were in Finland like the day after. Yeah.
It's been about 6 weeks.
7.
7. Yeah, we're still. This redness is a bit minimal, so we'll. Yeah, you're still sensitive to light, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Can you bear the daylight as well? I mean, on a sunny day.
No.
You can't bear it. Response is a bit late. It is.
Yeah.
It's very slow. You know what? My wife figured out a new concept, which is working quite a lot. I'll try to learn it from her, and I'll do it for you. She just does packings inside the nose with a local anesthesia, and it works quite good. We'll try to do some Botox for you as well. That will help you a lot as well.
I have a friend that had it for, she said she had it for something like this, and she had it for, that's
Next
it, when I press there,
So that's your trigger point?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Louise is off to Dubrovnik,
Right.
March. Have you heard from them?
No.
Not yet then, because his
That's
last
a
not
beautiful
yet.
place.
They're going to be speaking at the Patient Experience Congress.
Okay.
And Rebecca and